Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
I'm Matthew Yates, police sergeant. I've been here for 8 years. The work that we do and that we do as a department is important to the local communities because we have a lot of amenities available to them, so they want to see that stuff protected. There's really no such thing as a normal day, but when I talk about having freedom in the job, that's why I like the forest preserve. So if I want to spend a day just dealing with fishermen, talking to fishermen, doing boat safety checks, being out on the lake on a nice day, I have that freedom to do that. If I want to go out on a foot patrol, I could do that. If I want to be on a bike, I could ride the bike for a majority of my shift. I could ride an ATV, a gator, all these tools that we have available to us, or plan, special details, trying to mitigate a problem that we have. We're getting more types of calls, not just your standard calls that police are handling. We deal with homeless, ATV complaints, dirt bikes, so it's always a toss-up of what you're going to get that day.
Officers have to cover dozens of preserves with more than 23,000 acres of open space. And with that comes some unique challenges.
It took me 3 years to really understand where I was at, where I was going, or being at a preserve and then responding to another preserve.
All of their training and patrolling is valuable when calls for help come in.
Some people don't know how to use their GPS, or they don't know landmarks, or they don't know exactly where they're at. That's why it's important for us to walk our trails. We pretty much know what they're talking about when they're describing something. You could describe a specific tree and we might know what you're talking about. That's the attention to detail we look for when we're walking out there.
For Yates, there's one aspect of policing the preserves that's most satisfying.
Those times where you get to make an impact or make a difference. It could be something very small or large when it comes to the impact you have on another person, but all that counts at the end of the day, and that's probably the most rewarding thing to see, that you're making a difference in someone else's life. The highest high, I think, probably just getting to work with the people that I work with, doing the details that we do, like making that arrest, catching that criminal for that person that called for us on the day that they were, fell victim to whatever crime they experienced. The low points are just seeing people go through their traumas and absorbing that with them, working people through their own traumas, and that always sticks with you. My favorite saying is either you're a cop or you're not, and only the person knows, if it's for them. I always tell younger kids, follow their gut, follow their heart. If that's what you want to do, I think you should do it.